guys, welcome to Llama's Funhouse. Today we're going to be doing, drumroll please, trying some foods. So I went to this train place because I went to the Harry Potter show and I got these two cookies. It's raisin oatmeal and M&M. And then I got a whole cup of gummies. Guys, I ate some. That's why I said whole, not half. But yeah. So first I'm going to try the cookies. I want to try the M&M one first. That's how it looks. I'm going to break it. It's hot. Sorry. It was hot. That one's good. I rate it a 7.5. It's not that good, but it's not that bad. Oh my gosh, this raisin cookie is breaking. Bruh, I'm gonna just show you like this. The other one is sorry. So this one right here is the other one fell. And this one right here is the oatmeal. I got a little piece of it, so let's try it. I love oatmeal cookies. It's so hot. Okay, that was good. I rate that at 8.5. I like that better than the M&M one. Now I'm going to try some Harry Potter gummies. Open it. Come on. Oof. Okay. So this is the Harry Potter gummies. So I'm going to try this little ring. This little ring. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna try this strip, and then a Sour Patch Kid, and then I'm gonna try a Sour Frog, and is that it? Oh, and I also see this red gummy one. So those are what I'm gonna try. Oof. Some of these I actually have not tried. So first I'm gonna try this. I feel like this will be good with filling. So let's try it. I don't like the peach rings that much. I mean the rings that much. I rate it a 5.9. Now I'm gonna try this peach ring. Let's try it. I rate it a 6. It's better than the green and white one, but okay. I'm gonna try this Sour Patch Kid. I don't like Sour Patch Kids that much, but let's try it. It tastes like it has filling. Wait. Why is that good? I'm gonna rate it a 6.5. It's better than the peach ring. So I'm gonna try this little strip. I love these strips. Wow. I rate it like 8.5. Those are more. I'm gonna try this little, I don't know what it is. It's like a little gooey thing. Let's try it. That's so good. I think I'll rate it at 8.5 also. Froggy Hop, Froggy Hop. Now it's time for the frog. Let's eat its back first. Let's eat its big back. I rate it a a 7.6. That's good though. Now this is the last one, and it's just like red one. This is the same thing as the yellow, but it's red. So let's try it. Guys, I rate that. Wait. I rate that at 8.6. Oops, I still have a lot left. Look. Ooh, I love those strips. Save that. I have a lot of Sour Patch Kids because I don't really like Sour Patch Kids but that much. But yeah. But I hope you like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Make sure you sorry. Make sure you like this video and comment. Bye.